So I'm doing a presentation over number 17 from our week 6 homework, which asked us to look at Social Security numbers containing 9 digits and suppose that all 9-digit numbers are allowable in the Social Security numbers. We want to see if there is a one-to-one correspondence between allowable Social Security numbers and U.S. residents. So for this problem, we're using the fundamental counting principle, which says that if one event can occur in m ways and another event can occur in n ways, then the number of ways that both events can occur is m times n. So since every digit of a 9-digit Social Security number could be composed of 10 different numbers, 0 through 9, then we're going to look at combinations of these digits of numbers. So in the first digit of the Social Security number, we could have a 0 or a 1 or a 2, etc. And the number of ways that we could combine those 10 digits or those 10 numbers in the first digit with the 10 numbers in the second digit would be 10 times 10, which is 100. So there are 100 different ways that we could combine the first 2 digits, including numbers like 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. And then we can continue calculating the number of ways that we can combine each digit with the next in a similar way. So if we put all of the digits together like this in a Social Security number, with each digit having the possibility of being a 0 through 9 each time, then we would have this calculation, which means we would have 10 to the 9th or 1 billion different combinations of a 9-digit number. So from this calculation, we can see that there are fewer U.S. residents than there are Social Security numbers, even if we use today's population numbers of 380 million instead of 250 million, like the book suggests. And this means that there's not a one-to-one correspondence between allowable Social Security numbers and U.S. residents because there's not the same number of elements in each set. So there are more Social Security numbers than there are U.S. residents. So we wouldn't be able to pair up each Social Security number with a U.S. resident, which is the definition of a one-to-one correspondence.